The video introduces the topic, how to track your monthly expenses effectively. Upbeat intro music sets a positive and engaging tone for the video. Tracking monthly expenses provides insights into spending habits and patterns. Expense tracking facilitates the identification of areas for potential savings and budget adjustments. Consistent expense monitoring is essential for achieving long-term financial goals. Without tracking expenses, overspending is more likely, leading to compromised financial health. One simple method for tracking expenses involves using a spreadsheet. Each expense is input as it occurs, with details recorded under the appropriate columns. Spreadsheets offer easy customization and automated calculations for expense tracking. Budgeting apps offer automated expense tracking. Link bank accounts and credit cards for automatic transaction categorization. Automated tracking saves time and provides real-time insights into spending habits. A manual approach involves using a notebook to record expenses. Each expense is documented with its date, description, category, and amount. This method is simple and requires no technology. Categorizing expenses involves grouping them into categories such as housing, transportation, food, entertainment, and utilities. Expense categorization provides a clear overview of where the majority of money is being spent. Identifying expense categories allows for the strategic identification of areas where spending can be reduced. Regularly review tracked expenses to gain insights into spending patterns. Identify trends, such as overspending in specific categories, to pinpoint areas for improvement. Use identified trends to adjust the budget and modify spending habits accordingly. Effective expense tracking leads to better financial management and informed spending decisions. Tracking monthly expenses enables financial control and facilitates the achievement of financial goals. Subscribing to the channel ensures access to more helpful videos on personal finance. Activating notifications ensures timely updates on new personal finance content.